Ito yung iPhone case na siguradong ligtas ang phone mo at mabibili lang sa murang halaga.
Hi friends! I will be opening my second sample from Whiskin again! At alam na natin na kapag Whiskin ang pinag-uusapan, matitibay talaga ang mga produkto nila. So now, let's check this out.
From this to this.
Whiskin Creative Case.
Fashion simplicity shows its elegance. This case fits the button and is compatible for wireless charging. Military-grade drop protection na rin ito and it passed the 2-meter drop test. Kaya siguradong ligtas ang phone mo kung sakaling aksidenteng mahulog. Katulad ng tempered glass nila, anti-scratch and anti-fingerprint rin ito. Matte coating pa kaya iwas gasgas. Anti-yellowing clear design rin ito at may high-grade material kaya hindi nagyayelo agad. Dagdag pa, it's crystal clear kaya kita pa rin ang phone color mo. At alam mo kung ano pang maganda nito? Grabe yung kapit ng magnet, kaya hindi basta-basta nahuhulog whenever you're filming or charging. Your phone is surely safe with Whiskin Creative Case. Kaya check out na!